Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Pinterest as a widget on your device, okay? Let me close Pinterest right now. You want to just go to your home screen and just tap and hold on any empty space on your home screen, okay? So we'll just tap and hold right here. And here at the bottom, you see a bunch of new options. All you want to do is click on widgets, okay? Click on widgets. And right here, we'll need to search for Pinterest first. So I'll scroll down and go to where P is. So here, Pinterest. So just tap on Pinterest and you can either display a single pin, right, from your home feed or board, or you can also display, up to 6 pins here, basically a whole gallery wall. You can choose either one that would work for you. I'll just do a single pin and I'll add this to my desktop. So you can choose this to be from either a board, right, or your home feed. If you want something custom, you can go ahead and choose board. But if you want something from the browse feature, you can choose home feed. You just select the source. Okay, and there you go. If I close this, I can bring this anywhere, right? Really that easy. It's simple.